Angela here. Welcome to my video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be doing a realistic clean with me. It is Saturday and the house does need to get done, but I don't have a lot of time, and I know that's realistic for a lot of you at home. In a perfect world, I would get all my deep cleaning done on the weekend, things like mopping, laundry, and all that, but honestly, I don't have the time, and a lot of weekends I don't because I want to enjoy it with my family. I do work outside of the home a couple times a week, so the weekends really is my preferred time to get all the cleaning done, but this is realistic, this is real life. I know you guys can relate. I hope this gives you motivation to get your house clean. It's a lot more motivating for me knowing that I don't have to do everything in one day and it's not going to take me a lot of time. So I hope this motivates you, and I hope this inspires you to understand that perfection is not achievable. Good enough is good enough. Get what you can get done, and don't stress about being perfect or that your house needs to be spotless. That's not real life. Just do the best you can. That's what I'm going to be doing today, and I hope this motivates you guys, okay? So enjoy. Okay guys, so as you can see, the kitchen is pretty cluttered. There's my golden doodle Maple. You will see my dogs in almost every clip here because they are my shadow. But first things first, coffee.
Why you hide to me your feelings? Who told you that if you confess them I will leave you?
After I make my coffee, my next step is always music. I need to be listening to something in order to stay motivated to clean. Sometimes it's music, sometimes it's an audiobook or a podcast.
Say, baby, please, I want it all, not just to be in it.
So my preferred place to start cleaning is always in the kitchen. It's the heart of the home. I do have an open layout home, so if the kitchen's a mess, my whole house looks like a mess. So I always start with the dishes. I like to clear out the dishwasher, get everything set up, and get that sink clean.
Your love is my cure, I'm sick. Lay your heart and mine stick. Baby, it would be so lit to us, one beat. Oh, just think about it. Oh, don't be afraid about it. Oh, think about it, 'cause baby, I'm begging for your love. I said, baby, please, I want it all, not just to be in it's the cure of my disease.
We're on to one of my favorite cleaning tasks, cleaning out the sink. This is pretty satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. I love just using regular dish soap and a scrub brush, scrubbing everything down and rinsing it clean. Trust me, this will change the state of your kitchen. Just trust me and do it. Do this every single night if you can. I'm doing another one of my favorite cleaning tasks, wiping down the countertops. I am using the Great Value Lemon Verbena all-purpose cleaner. It's actually really great. I have bought a lot of expensive cleaners in the past, a lot of the Mrs. Meyer's, the Method, everything like that, but this Great Value one actually works pretty well. If you have any other cleaning product suggestions, please leave them in the comments because I'm always looking for great products that are affordable. Right now I'm just cleaning down the microwave. I do keep a splatter cover in there, so it takes me no time at all to just wipe it down real quick on the weekends, and that just keeps my microwave spotless. So if you struggle with that, I highly suggest investing in a splatter cover. They're really cheap on Amazon and you will be very happy that you bought it. Now we're on to my least favorite cleaning task, which is cleaning the stovetop. Obviously, I love the look of a clean stovetop, so I make sure I do it at least every once a week. But I absolutely hate actually doing it just because I have to remove the grates, wipe down all the crumbs, scrub it down. But I use a Scrub Daddy sponge along with the Dawn Power Wash, and I feel like that works pretty well. Really, I should be doing this more often than once a week, but this is real life. I do it only once a week, okay? On a daily basis, I do like to fluff up my couch and get the pillows nice and organized, but once a week it's really important for me to vacuum my couch just because I do have dogs, and even though they don't shed, they always bring in grass and dirt from outside, so I like to vacuum it once a week. Now, I'm not saying I do this every single week, but I try to, and I do my best. Now I'm using a Swiffer duster to dust down everything in my house. I try to stay on top of this and do it at least once a week, but I'm going to be honest, guys, I always have dust in my house. If you come over right now, you're going to find dust in almost every room and every surface. After the kitchen and living room are clean, I like to head into the bedroom. I first start with opening up my curtains. I do like to have natural light in all the rooms I clean in. If it's really dark and dingy, I don't want to be doing anything. It just makes me want to lay in bed and go to sleep. Studies have shown that natural lighting does improve your mood and productivity, so I always make sure I have natural lighting. It really works for me, so try that out anytime you feel like you need to clean, but you're kind of feeling lazy and you don't really want to. Now I'm cleaning my bedroom furniture. Look no further for the best furniture surface cleaner. Don't get Pledge, no offense Pledge, but Endust is where it's at. Now we're on to the bathrooms, and the biggest tip I have for keeping a clean bathroom is keeping your cleaning supplies under your sink. It's just really quick and easy to just grab it from there and do it. Normally if I keep all my products under my kitchen sink, I'm less likely to clean it. So it's kind of a no-brainer. I do it really fast and I don't have to think about it. Now I'm just doing a really quick clean of the bathroom. This takes me no time at all because I do the same thing in the same order every single time. So I first start with decluttering the countertops. Then I use a sponge and some all-purpose cleaner to wipe down the countertops. I'll even scrub out the sink as well. Then I move on to my toilet. I clean that out. I move on to the mirrors. I change out the hand towel, and then I take the trash out. And that's really it. Now we're back in the kitchen to clean all of my stainless steel appliances. I like to use this Meier stainless steel cleaner. I like to say I'm not a perfectionist with cleaning, but when it comes to stainless steel and my fridge, I absolutely hate smudges and fingerprints, so I will do this every day if need be. Finally, I like to finish off my cleaning routine with vacuuming the floors. I use my Dyson. It's really fast, really simple, and lightweight, and it gets the job done. My home is on the smaller side, so I am able to vacuum my entire house on one single charge without any issues. I will say though, I do take my time while vacuuming. For the most part with cleaning, I like to just get in and get out, get it all done fast. But when it comes to vacuuming, I do like to take my time, especially if it's days like today where I'm not mopping. In my personal opinion, your floors can make or break your home. If they look dirty, your whole house is going to look a little dingy and dirty. But if they look clean, it can fool people and they think your whole house is clean, even if it really isn't. On a normal weekend cleanup, I would mop the floors, but today is not that day. Today is a quick weekend cleanup. We got to get in and out. Remember, we're on a time crunch. So in that case, I always make sure I vacuum, but I'll just skip the mopping. Alright guys, so that is all for today. It feels amazing to have a clean house for the weekend. And even though it's not perfectly spotless, it's good enough. And like I said earlier, good enough is good enough. Alright y'all, so that is it for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor and subscribe, like this video, and please comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see from me. I'm really into home care, home decor, cleaning, things like that, cooking, beauty, fitness. Those are all the things I'm really interested in, and if you are as well, let me know. I'd love to engage with you guys, okay? Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.